What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your man ChazzEllis once again. And a lot of people ask me to tell them about things that they shouldn't do. Things that I see people doing all the time that generally don't work out. One of the biggest things I see people doing on a regular basis is sending "have a nice life" text. You know, that's when you get mad at somebody, they're not hitting you up the way you want them to, so you go ahead and you send that,
"Well, have a nice life. I wish you well. I'm not talking to you anymore."
You know, any of those things, that's the "have a nice life" text.
"Well, I hope you live well. Goodbye forever."
The reason why I tell people not to send the "have a nice life" text is because everybody knows that it's full of crap. It just doesn't work because it's not fooling anybody. That's not what you do when you're really uninterested in another person. Generally, when you're uninterested in somebody, like say you show up on a date with somebody you met on the internet and you think they're not attractive or you think that their conversation is whack, whatever the case may be, you don't go back to the crib and go,
"Have a nice life. Your conversation was whack. Have a nice life. You were a lot less attractive than I thought you were going to be."
You don't do that. You just stop calling them, stop texting them, or, you know, always find yourself busy or whatever the case may be whenever they call and text you. That's how we generally deal with people. And I know there's going to be some people in the comment section like, "I never do that." Okay, we're not talking about you. We're talking about normal people, not you in your perfect world. I'm talking about what people generally do, okay? Generally what people do is they just blow the person off when they're not interested. So when you send a "have a nice life" text, you're really not fooling anybody because people know that you actually want to talk to them and you're trying to get a response. And that's the problem, is that it puts you out there to need a response, because you know good and well when you send that text and no one responds or they go, "Okay, cool," or something like that, it generally hurts your feelings. I know we got some people who are iron men or iron women and nothing hurts their feelings. I'm talking about regular people. It hurts your feelings. You feel some type of way because you wouldn't have sent the message. You wouldn't have said those things if you didn't want some type of response. You would have just walked away. So when you send that "have a nice life" text, it makes you really need a response. And when you don't get it, normally what ends up happening is maybe it may be a week, it may be a month, it may be 2 or 3 months, but you probably try to send them something again so you can get a response. Now, this is what causes you to start looking crazy. You start going up and down, back and forth with the situation, and a lot of times not getting a response in return. So now you look crazy. Now you feel bad about what you did. You wish you would have never sent the text in the first place, and you got absolutely nothing out of it but heartache, pain, and anxiety. So sending a "have a nice life" text is generally just not something to do. If you're going to do anything, just kind of pull back without words, because if you do that and you do happen to change your mind, you can go back and talk to them again. If you don't change your mind, don't talk to them anymore. Simple as that. So that's way better than the "have a nice life" text.